Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall do problems. Before going to that, we shall see one general concept. In the last class we have seen. Once again I am repeating this. PU subjects, Kannada, English, P subject, Q subject, R subject, S subject. What about your PU result? Kannada subject pass, English pass, P subject pass, Q subject pass, R subject pass, S subject pass. Student who passed all these 6 subjects means result will be promoted pass. In this case, suppose if you take relation reflexive or symmetric or transitive like that. Here X belongs to your subject here. X subject is pass. X subject is pass. X subject is pass means any subject means if you take Kannada pass, English pass, P subject pass, Q subject pass, R pass, S pass like that. Then a result pass, then relation is reflexive symmetric like that. Suppose your Q subject file, R subject file, S subject file. This file. We know that one subject file or more subjects are file means result file. We know that yes. Here just to show Q subject is file. Q subject is file. Therefore result file. Therefore a relation is not reflexive, not symmetric like that. Mind it. No need to show all file subjects. If you show one file subject, either Q, either R, either S, enough. One subject file means result will be depromoted file. Yes. Now we go to problem. Important one. Important for 3 marks. Show that the relation R in the set, again R means real numbers. R of real numbers defined as R equal to A comma B such that A less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Neither reflexive means not reflexive, not symmetric means not symmetric, not transitive means not transitive. Here given set capital R is the set of all real numbers. R equal to A comma B. Here both A and B belongs to here set R. This is set R. Ordered pair means A comma B belongs to relation. Mind it. Here ordered pair belongs to relation. Each element of the ordered pair belongs to given set. Here given set is R. Like this. Prove that it is not reflexive. Reflexive means every element related to itself. A comma A belongs to relation for each element. Here relation here I am taking here. What is the relation between first and second element here? Relation here. First element here less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of the second element B. A is less than or equal to B square. Very important one. Here A comma A belongs to relation means what is the relation between A and M means here first element here A is less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of the second element a relation here. When it belongs to relation means all real numbers satisfies this condition means we say that it is reflexive, otherwise not reflexive. Suppose here integers I am taking A equal to 1. Here A equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1 square. 1 is equal to 1. 1 equal to 1, therefore it is true. Suppose A equal to 2. Here A2 is less than or equal to, here A equal to 2. 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 is less than 4. Correct. Therefore it is true. Suppose A equal to 1 by 2. Here A equal to 1 by 2 is less than or equal to, here A equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 here. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Here less than or equal to, here 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 value 0.25. Is it true? 0.5 is greater than 0.25 but not less than. Correct. In this case it is 5. Correct. In these two cases, what about this condition satisfies means here pass. This is pass. In this case, it is 5. When A equal to 1 by 2. What about reflexive? Reflexive result. Fail because here one subject failed. Correct. Therefore, for proving it is not reflexive, better you take that failed subject, a failed one, means which element not satisfies that relation, take that element, prove that it is not reflexive. I am taking this element. Instead of 1 by 2, you can take 1 by 3 like this. 1 by 3 is not less than or equal to 1 by 3 whole square. Take proper fractions. Very important one, mind it. Now I am taking this half here. Half it belongs to your set R. Half belongs to set R. Then what about? Then clearly your half is not less than or equal to half whole square. Correct. Here A is not less than or equal to A square, means A is less than or equal to A square means A comma A belongs to relation. Got it. A is not less than or equal to A square means here A comma A doesn't belongs to relation. Got it here. Half is not less than or equal to half whole square. Therefore, here first element of second element of here doesn't belongs to relation. Here A is not less than or equal to B square here. A comma B not square. A comma B belongs to relation. Here half not less than or equal to half whole square means here half comma half doesn't belongs to relation. Again no need to mention for each because half is one number here. Half belongs to real number. This is relation. This is. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Prove that it is not symmetric. Take one element here. Now take one element in relation here. 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. This is relation. 2 comma 1 belongs to relation means it is symmetric. Suppose 2 comma 1 not belongs to R means it is not symmetric. Write relation between first and second element. What is the relation between first and second element? First element is less than or equal to square of the second element here. Second element B. First element 1 is less than or equal to square of the second element 2. That means 2 square. Interchange 1 and 2. 2 1. Here first element 2. 2 is less than or equal to second element 1. Square of the second element 1 square. Correct. 2 is greater than 1 but not less than or equal to 1 square. But 2 is not less than or equal to 1 square. Therefore, your first element 2, second element 1, 2 comma 1 doesn't belong to relation. Therefore, R is not symmetric. 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. Write relation between first element and second element. First element here 1 is less than or equal to square of the second element 2. Correct. Clearly 1 is less than 2 square. 2 square means 4. 1 is less than 2 square. But what is the relation between 2 and 1 means here first element 2 is less than or equal to square of the second element 1. 2 is greater than 1 but not less than or equal to 1. Correct. Therefore 2 comma 1 does not belong to relation. 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. 2 comma 1 does not belong to relation. Therefore it is not symmetric. Next, third one, transitive. Transitive, if A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C belongs to relation, a second element equal to your first element, then A comma C belongs to relation means it is transitive. Here we are proving not transitive means take particular number here. Now I am taking one, mind it. While taking values, be careful. Here I am taking 5 comma 3 belongs to relation and 3 comma 2 belongs to relation. 5 comma 3 here 3 equal here. Take like that here. B equal to B. 5 comma 3 belongs to relation means write relation between first and second element. What is the relation? First element less than or equal to square of the second element. Here first element 5 less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of the second element 3 square. 3 square 9. Correct. 5 is less than 9. True. And here write relation between 3 and 2. First element 3. 3 is less than or equal to square of the second element 2. 2 square 4. 3 is less than 4. It is true. Now write what is the relation between 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Your first element 5 is less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of the second element 2. 2 square 4. 5 is less than 4. Is it true? Right? 5 is greater than 4, not less than or equal to 4. Therefore, your first element 5, second element 2. Mind it here. So, relation is A less than or equal to B square. Your first element A, second element B. A comma B belongs to relation. Not means like this. Not. First element A, second element only B, not square. First element 5, second element 2. Here not less than or equal to means here 5 comma 2 does not belongs to relation. Therefore, R is not transitive. While taking elements, be careful, very important. 5 comma 3 belongs to relation. Next to here 3 means take again 3. 3 comma 2 belongs to relation. Write relation between first and second element. First element is less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of the second element 3 is 3 square. 3 square 9. 5 is less than 9. And here first element 3 less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of second element 2. 2 square 4. 3 is less than 4. Correct. Now what is the relation between 5 and 2? 5 and 2 means first element 5 is less than or equal to square of the second element 2. 2 square 4. 5 is greater than 4 but not less than or equal to 4. Therefore, here 5 comma here only base 5 comma 2 not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not transitive. Mind it, once again I am repeating. Here given set R is a set of all real numbers. The relation between A and B, first element is less than or equal to square of the second element here. Take R belongs to here a set here, real numbers. Instead of half, you can take 1 by 3 like this. 1 by 3 belongs to real number. 1 by 3 is not less than or equal to 1 by 3 whole square. Clearly you can write. 1 by 3 means here point here 3 3 like that. Here means 1 by 3 whole square, 1 by 9 here. 1 by 9 point here 1 like this. 0.3 is greater than 0.1 but not less than or equal to 0.1. We take 1 by 3, 1 by 4 like that. Don't take integers, proper fractions other than integral values, mind it. Here half is not less than or equal to half. Half whole square here. B equal to again same half here. A is not less than or equal to A square like this. Don't take element. Here A equal to half means again A equal to half. This is not true. Therefore, half comma half does not belong to relation. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Now take for not proving symmetric. Take one element in relation. 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. Here 1 is less than or equal to square of the second element. Square of your second element 2. 2 square 4. 1 is less than 4. Correct. But what is the relation between a 2 and 1? Interchange 1 and 2. 2 and 1 means 2 is your first element 2 less than or equal to square of the second element. 2 is greater than 1 but not less than or equal to 1. But 2 is not less than or equal to 1 square. Therefore, 2 comma 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Here 5 comma 3 belongs to relation and 3 comma 2 belongs to relation. Instead of 5 you can take 6, 7, you take any number. Very important, while taking be careful. That means this ordered pair must satisfy this relation. Then only it belongs to relation. Here first element 5 is less than or equal to square of the second element here. 3 square means 9. And here first element 3 less than or equal to square of the second element here. Square of 2 square 4. Then what is the relation between 5 and 2 means here? 5 is less than or equal to square of the second element 2. 5 is greater than 4 but not less than or equal to 4. Therefore, 5 comma 2 does not belong to relation. Therefore, this relation is not transitive. Yes, final right. Yes, relation is neither reflexive, nor symmetric, nor transitive. For the seventh problem, is also important problem, important for 3 marks. Check whether the relation R, capital R, in the set, again capital R, set of real numbers defined as R equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. A relation R in the set, a given set also same R means set of all real numbers. A relation defined like this, R equal to A comma B such that what is the relation between here A and B means here A is less than or equal to here B cube. A and B means A is less than or equal to B cube. First and second element. First element is less than or equal to cube of the second element here. Cube of the second element. Mind it, it is similar to last problem. A less than or equal to B square. A less than or equal to B cube and set up all real numbers. In these two cases, relation not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. I am taking same type example, mind it here. First, reflexive means here. Reflexive means A comma A. What is the relation between first and second element means first element here less than or equal to cube of the second element here. A is less than or equal to A cube. Suppose A equal to 1 means 1 is less than or equal to 1 cube. 1 cube 1. 1 equal to 1 which is 2 here. A equal to 2. 2 is less than or equal to A equal to 2. 2 cube. 2 cube 8. 2 is less than 8 in these two cases. Okay. Next, A equal to 1 by 2. Here A equal to 1 by 2 less than or equal to A equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 cube 1 divided by 2 cube 8. 1 by 2 0.5 less than or equal to here 1 by 8. Point means 8 ones are next 8 twos are like that. 0.5 is greater than 0.1. Not less than or equal to here. Correct. Therefore, half not less than or equal to half cube. In this case, what about? It is 5. Not satisfies this relation. Therefore, here not satisfies means A not less than or equal to A cube in this case. Therefore, here A comma A not belongs to relation like that. Take one particular element here. Here half I am taking. Half single each element means it belongs to set here. This is set. Then what about here? Half is not less than or equal to half whole cube. Correct here. Half whole cube, this is 1 by 8. Half not less than or equal to half whole cube. Therefore, here first element of the ordered pair half, second element of the ordered pair half, not cube here. A comma B, A comma B, A comma B. In relation not less than or equal to means it doesn't belongs to relation. Half comma half not belongs to relation. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Next, B is a 1. Now, 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. What is the relation between first and second element? First element less than or equal to cube of the second element here. Right, relation between 1 and 2. First element 1 less than or equal to cube of the second element 2. What about 2 cube 8 here? 1 is less than 8 which is 2. What is the relation between 2 and 1? Interchange 1 and 2. 2 comma 1. First element 2. 2 is less than or equal to cube of the second element 1. Here 1 cube 1. 2 is less than 1. It is wrong. 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, here A comma B here. A equal to 2, B equal to 1. 2 comma 1. does not belongs to relation. Therefore, a relation is not symmetric. 1, 2 belongs to relation. Write relation between 1 and 2. Your first element 1 less than or equal to cube of the second element 2. 2 cube 8. Here interchange 1 and 2. For understanding, I am writing like this. 2, 1. First element 2. 2 is less than or equal to cube of second element 1. 2 is less than 1. 2 not equal to 1. Correct. Therefore, here 2 is not less than or equal to 1 cube. Therefore, 2, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Next, transitive case. Now I am taking, say, last one, observe here. Last one. Last column. The last column I am taking here. Here 3. Here 3, 2, same take as it is. Here, instead of 5, take 10 like that. Yes, because here relation is cubic one relation. 10, 3 belongs to relation and 3, 2 belongs to relation. Instead of 10 here, you can take 11, 12. Practice these numbers, very important. Very difficult to remember. If you practice only, we can do, otherwise not possible. Now write relation between first and second element. What is the relation? First element is less than or equal to cube of the second element. Here first element 10 is less than or equal to cube of the second element. Cube here, cube of the second element 3. 3 cube 27. 10 is less than 27. True. 10 is less than 27. And now write relation between first and second element. First element 3 is less than or equal to cube of the second element 2. 2 cube 8. 3 is less than 8. True. Then now, right, what is the relation between 10 and 2? 10 and 2. 10 less than or equal to, here first element 10 less than or equal to cube of the second element. Cube, second element 2. Cube of the second element. 2 cube 8. 10 is less than 8. Wrong. 10 is greater than 8. Therefore, but 10 not less than or equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, that's it. Here not less than or equal to means, therefore, 10, 2 does not belong to relation. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So, very important one here. I am repeating. Set R is the set of all real numbers. R equal to A, B. Relation between here A and B. Here A is less than or equal to cube of the second element. That is B cube. So clearly it is not reflexive. Mind it. You can take particular number proving not reflexive, not symmetric. Instead of half, you can take like this. 1 by 3 belongs to a set R. This is set R. A relation here 1 by 3 less than or equal to, again B equal to 1 by 3. Reflexive condition here. A less than or equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 greater than 1 by 3 whole cube, but not less than or equal to 1 by 3 whole cube. Therefore, you can write 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Here A equal to 1 by 3, B equal to 1 by 3, not cube. A, this is B, not belongs to relation. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Take any number, either take 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, like that. Don't take integral values, don't take element. Half belongs to relation. Here half not less than or equal to, again here B equal to half here. Half whole cube 1 by 8. Because half is greater than 1 by 2 whole cube. Half is greater than 1 by 2 whole cube, but not less than or equal to. Therefore, here half does not belongs to relation. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Now take one element in a relation here. Symmetric here. A, B belongs to relation. Here 1, 2 belongs to relation. Write relation between 1 and 2. 1 is less than or equal to cube of the second element 2. Cube of the second element here. Relation. 2 cube 8. 1 is less than 8. But here 2 is not less than or equal to cube of this. But here 2 not less than or equal to cube of 1. 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, here 2, 1 does not belongs to relation. A, B belongs to relation. B comma A doesn't belong to relation, therefore it is not symmetric. Here instead of 1 comma 2 you can take 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 like that. Here bind it. The 10 comma 3 bind it here belongs to relation, and 3 comma 2 belongs to relation. In this order pairs here, middle elements are equal here. Middle elements are equal. Now write relation between here 10 and 3. What is the relation? First element 10 less than or equal to cube of the second element 3. 3 cube 27. 10 is less than, this is 27. True. And 3 comma 2 belongs to relation. Write relation between 3 and 2. Here first element 3 less than or equal to cube of the second element 2. 2 cube 8. 3 is less than 8. True. Then what is the relation between 10 and 2? 10 and 2 means 10 not less than or equal to here cube of the second element 2. Cube of 2 means 2 cube means 8. 10 is greater than 8. Therefore here 10 comma 2 does not belong to relation. Therefore it is not transitive. Clearly it is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Therefore finally write hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. These two problems very important. Mind it. Practice these problems, very important for examination. Next one. So next 8th problem. Show that the relation R in the set A of all books in a library of a college given by R equal to x comma y such that relation between x and y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. Easy problem, just I give idea. Show that relation R in the set A. Here what is the set A means? Set A is the set of all books in a library of a college. A means not persons, not elements. Set of all books in a library. R equal to x comma y such that here both x and y belongs to set A here. Both x and y belongs to set A means x and y are books. That's it. Set A. What is the relation between first and second book here means both books have same number of pages. Here x and y have same number of pages. Prove that it is an equivalence relation means here we have to prove that relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Then relation is an equivalence relation here. First reflexive means here A comma A, instead of A comma I am taking x comma x. Correct here. X comma x. What is the relation between first and second book here? Both x and y are books because both x y belongs to set A means set of all books. Relation between x and y have same number of pages. For reflexive, x and x same book, x again x. Correct. X and x has because x same book. Don't have means plural form has take. X and x has same number of pages. Therefore, here x comma x belongs to R for every for every x belongs to a set A. Therefore, it is reflexive. Any books here, x means any book here. X and x has, because x means same book. We don't have two books, only one book. Has same number of pages. Therefore, x comma x belongs to, for each book x belongs to given set A. Therefore, relation is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. Let x comma y belongs to R. I am not taking A comma B here. Write relation between x and y. X and y have same number of pages. Here interchanging x and y and x, again same books here. Y and x have same number of pages. Therefore, here y comma x belongs to relation. X comma y belongs to relation, then y comma x belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is symmetric. Next, transitive. Here is the one I'm going fast here. Let x comma y belongs to relation and y comma z belongs to relation. In these two alphabets, middle elements are equal. X comma y belongs to relation means write relation between x and y. X and y have same number of pages, and yz belongs to relation means write relation between y and z. Both y and z books have same number of pages. Correct. X and y books have same number of pages. Y and z books have same number of pages. Then clearly 3 books have same number of pages. Then what is the relation between x and z means x and z have same number of pages. Then x and z, clearly x and z have same number of pages. Therefore, here x comma z belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is transitive. X comma y belongs to relation and y comma z belongs to relation. Their middle elements are equal. Then x comma z belongs to relation. It is transitive. Clearly, it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Thank you very much.